Hey beautiful, it's Nancy, also known as the Lipstick Boss, your midlife beauty expert. Today I want to talk to you about cream blush and the right place to put it so that it gives you a nice natural glow, especially on mature skin. So get a cream blush. This is a lip to cheek color from Lipstick Boss. You're going to want to find a color that matches your color code. And you're going to go ahead and you don't want to go below the nostril. You're going to go right here on the apples of the cheek and just push it into the skin right there. You're not going to drag and pull. You're just going to pat, pat, pat and push it into the skin. You're kind of bringing it up towards your eye. And this is going to give you the most natural glow of skin, rather than having blush in other places where you don't naturally blush. So there are some resources in the box below. Make sure that you know what your color code is so that you can find the best colors for your clothing, your makeup, your accessories, and more. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye-bye.